Hi everyone, I'm Kaya and today we're going to make a creamy potato and wild rice soup recipe that is from Red Lake Nation Food. To make this recipe, you can add an optional 6 strips of cooked bacon. You'll also need 2 cups of cooked wild rice, 3 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, 2 cans of cream of potato soup, 2 cups of half and half, 1/2 cup of sliced mushrooms, 1 small onion, and 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. After cooking your bacon, chop it up into tiny pieces. Then chop up your onion and your mushrooms. Now here's the easy part. Combine all of your ingredients into the saucepan except for the half and half and shredded cheddar cheese. Put your ingredients together until everything's combined. Next, you want to simmer your soup for about 20 to 30 minutes. Once your soup is done simmering, you can add your half and half and your shredded cheese. Share a warm bowl of soup with a friend and enjoy.